the Joni G, which in a few short moments I'm going to become the proud owner of this beautiful boat. And hopefully I'll be able to get her home safely. Back to where we're staying. As you can see, I'm sitting inside a boat. There's the controls of the boat from downstairs. There's the table and the chairs, and the thing folds into a bed. And over here we have a refrigerator, I believe, that runs on 12 volts, and it seems to work. And a sink that needs to be replumbed. We got a V-berth that needs to be cleaned and carpeted, and put the cushions and made a bed, painted and whatever. We got beautiful folding windows. We got giant windows everywhere. Windows, windows, windows. This is a 28-foot boat. That means from the stem of the boat there, the bow, not counting that little anchor thing there, to the tail of the boat, the back end over here, my goodness, back here is 28 feet. Now this rear cockpit here, with this engine thingy down, is probably 8 by 12 or something, I don't know, pretty big. Boys, had a rough time of it. So, today is Monday, and miraculously, I'm in a boat. I'm in a 28-foot Lures cabin cruiser that I just signed for me, and from a very nice man who gave it to me. It's a very old boat, but it works, at least it's supposed to. So I'm trying to get gasoline, and I'm somewhere I've never been. And as you can see, over there is the marina where the gasoline is, and had I just gone a little bit over there, I would not have grounded myself here in Gravesend, where, as you can see, there's all kinds of dead boats here. Now, I do not have sea tow, so it is now 1:42, low tide, 0 feet, and I'm hoping to God that I can float off of this obstruction that I've landed on, because I've grounded myself, caught in the muck and the mud in a place called Gravesend. And there's just, I can't even believe I came down here at low tide, but it's the only place I could get gasoline around here, and I guess I should have just gone home and seen if I could make it. I'm like, I gotta get gasoline, and I don't know how to drive this old boat. It's really not hard, not easy. I've learned that when you turn the steering wheel left, the boat goes to the right, and when you turn it the other way, upstairs, there's a steering place too, upstairs. If I can ever get my boat off the ground, this is what I did the last time I got a new boat. I grounded it. I'm such an idiot. And I have no idea what to do except to sort of sit here and wait. Maybe I should put the anchor in, and so I don't go further into the ground. That might actually be a good idea. Anyway, here I am, 100 yards from the gas station, because I hadn't learned how to control the boat. And I hope to God I didn't do any damage by grounding it and running the motor in the muck. The boat is sort of turning and moving, and I'm not sure what to do at this point. Just sort of wait, I guess, until the tide goes up a little, or until I'm floating. I think I want the rudder to go this way. So I'm going to turn the thing. The rudder is stuck. No, the rudder is this way. So hopefully if we float off, we'll go that way a little. I can't believe I did this. That's what the buoy is probably for. It says stay out of the... Anyway, here I am. I hope to God I can get this boat home, because if I can't, I'm gonna have to swim to shore, and I don't know what will happen. You know, I don't have sea tow, and so anyway, we'll we'll see what happens. So I decided that I would take off my clothes, so I stripped down to my underwear and I put on a life preserver, and I grabbed about 300 feet of thick, strong anchor line and tied it to the boat and made a rope ladder to get back in the boat. I was just about to jump in the dirty water and try to swim over to the marina, tie a rope to it and swim back so I could pull the boat off when, lo and behold, we floated free from the obstruction. Then I had to figure out how to get the boat over to the dock to sign up to get the gas. So I made it home safe and sound.